Hey guys, just look at my luscious succulent satin lips. Yeah, all moisturized. So I gave myself like at least 5-7 minutes for the balm to really do its work before I start trying out the lipstick for you. So I'm wearing this colorful black, got like hint of light pink natural colors on it. So yeah, so before I dive into trying the lipsticks, yeah, this is what we have on our catalog in stock basically. Yeah, so all here is all our lipstick, different kind of lipstick shades, and lip gloss followed by lip liner, lip lacquer, lip tint, and fruit dimensions. Now the lip lacquer I will do a different video on another day because that's like, it's gonna take me at least 7 to 10 minutes. So but the lipsticks and the lip liners I can try. I'm gonna try basically 3 shades today. Yeah, and then I'll break it down during the week. So we have the semi-gel matte. Yeah, it comes in 8 different shades, and then we have the semi-gel shine. Yeah, it all depends on your taste. I like both anyway. I like matte texture, gives you that cushioning kind of feeling on your lips, or you can say velvet, or the shine, basically a hint of shine. Basically both have full coverage. You can build up as you go along. So I'm gonna try this now. Yeah, all excited. By the way, this is our bestseller as well. It's American Eye Makeup Remover. So this remove any oil and water-based makeup. So from foundation, powder, eye makeup, lipstick, lip gloss, any oil and water-based makeup it can remove. So you can use it to remove your lipsticks and your lip gloss and lip liner. So what you see here in the middle is a cosmetic silicone that divides both the water and the oil-based ingredients and makes it to remove both oil-based and water-based makeup. So all you need to do is just give it a little shake, yeah, and then you can get ready with your wipe and your cotton wool to remove your eye makeup and your lipsticks. Yeah, all right. Okay, so I'm gonna dive into it now. Ooh, so these are my testers. Yeah, I'm a walk-in shop. These are my testers. So you can see the lip glosses there, the 7 shades that we have, and the lipsticks too. So I'm gonna try 3 today. So I'm taking out Very Famous 1, and taking out Midnight Red. Yeah, and Natural Buff. Yeah, so I'm gonna try these. I just want to show you the shades of our lip glosses. With the lip glosses you can wear with your chosen lip liner colors. Yeah, because when you put a lip liner, basically it kind of defines your lips. So there we are. Okay, so this is one of our shades for the lip gloss. So this is basically Fancy Nancy. Do you fancy Nancy? The next one we have, it's basically Pink Satin. Yeah, for all you natural lovers, Pink Satin. It's right there. And this is my favorite, Sparkleberry. Yeah, Sparkleberry. Yeah, and then quickly Peach Glow. Peach Glow. Okay, and this one is Cafe au lait. Yeah, natural lovers. And this one is Rockin' Red. And the last one, 7th one that we do, is Pink Luster. Yeah, ooh, almost my lip color. Yeah, so it's 7 shades. I'm just gonna grab all of them just to show you. See, here we are. Yeah, okay, now let me just get back into the nitty-gritty. Yeah, so I'm gonna try 3 colors of lipstick. We have about 22, so I'm just breaking it down. Okay, since they're testers, I'm going to be using a spatula. To try them. Yeah, and I love my lip liner, so we have 6 lip liner shades. So I'm using medium nude. Medium nude or nude goes, light nude goes with anything basically. Lip glosses and lipstick. So this is lip liner. So I've got my mirror here as well, so I'm just gonna line my lip first before I try the lipsticks on. So good. Okay, so I'll try put on my lip liner. Yeah, so first one I'm gonna try, yeah, this is a lipstick. I'm gonna try Midnight Red. Yeah, Midnight Red. This is Midnight Red. Yeah, it's my spatula because the testers, my spatula. Okay, pretty girl, pretty girl, pretty girl, pretty girl. Okay. So you want to try to apply it from the center and then you work your way out. Okay, I think I put a bit too much, so I'm gonna just this is Midnight Red. What do you think, guys? I like it. Okay. Beautiful. Okay, let's try the next one. Hey guys, I'm just taking it off with my makeup remover. Yeah. See? Just only one wipe and a little bit. Okay. Fantastic. It does the job, guys. I'm gonna try now Very Famous. This is Very Famous. Okay, again, where is my amazing lip liner? Medium nude. The lip liner, sorry, no eyeliner. The lip liner basically just help define your lips, making sure your lipstick application does not go beyond the boundaries. So my spatula again, which I've already cleaned up. Yep. Okay. Just gonna scrape. I'll do a little bit, go a little bit this time on this one. because I think I put a bit too much. Okay, so okay. This is very, very famous. I kind of like the plum texture. This is lovely. What do you think, guys? Now you can always use the cotton buds to just mellow it down. Ah, love it now, love it now. Okay, so this is very famous. I love. This is very famous. Very famous. This is what it looks like. I love, very famous. Okay, so next one is gonna be naturally buff. This I love. Okay, she's back. Okay, last one, natural buff. Okay, I'm gonna use again. Okay. All out in one go. Okay. All right, now where is it? Okay, this is naturally buff. Okay. This is what it looks like. Okay, again, my amazing lip liner that I love, medium nude. Okay, purpose of the lip liner is to help define your lip, so when you're applying lip gloss, lipstick, you know, it won't go outside your lip, your boundary. Yeah, because you don't want to look like a clown, you want to look like yourself, obviously. So I'm gonna try now naturally buff. Okay, so where is my spatula? Found you. Let's clean that up quick. Okay, clean up again. Okay, all clean. So naturally buff. There you go. I'm liking it already. So, okay. It's lovely, guys. Okay, this is naturally buff. I'm gonna mellow it down with my cutting board. Okay, that's the corners of my lips. I like the color, it's natural, so Okay. Now, natural buff just reminds me of cafe au lait. So you can either use cafe au lait lip gloss on top, or pink satin, or fancy Nancy. So I'm gonna just dip a hint of my cotton bud. Yeah, not this. I'm gonna dip this in there. Okay. What do you think, guys? I love it. I like all of them, every single one of them. What do you think, guys? So I'm wearing naturally buff lipstick, which you can build up with a hint of fancy Nancy lip gloss on top. Wow. Now overall today I had a foundation primer and a hint of perfecting concealer under my eyes and my amazing CC cream. My shade is deep, and ultimate mascara. You can see it's volumized my natural lashes. I'm not wearing fake lashes, these are mine. You can see the ultimate mascara is one of the best because it separates your natural lashes and then it gives it like 4 times the volume basically. Plus I'm wearing a broad precision pencil. You can build up if you want, but this is just how I like to wear my my eyebrows, and I don't like it, you know, thicker than that. I just love it the way it is. So no foundation today, no powder, no translucent powder. Also with the lips, we have a lip primer product which will prolong the wear of your lipsticks and your lip gloss. It's available now, and I'm gonna be demonstrating on that during the week when I'll be showcasing the other lipstick shades that we have. So today I've only just demonstrated 4. So I've demonstrated Midnight Red, Very Famous, and Naturally Buff. Also I've shown you the lip gloss. The lip glosses can go with any of your chosen lipsticks, and that's it. And the eye makeup remover, which can remove any oil-based and water-based makeup. So guys, there you go. I hope you also like the satin lips, which is basically a lip spa. It's good to give your lip a very good buff, exfoliated at least once a week. Both men and women can use it. And so there you go, guys. The weather is lovely today. I've been I've been resting for over a week. Well, not physically doing hair or stuff, but I've been resting doing other things, and I'm back this week. So I promise I was going to do the satin lips and the lipsticks video. So there you go, guys. I hope you you like it. I'm here to for your inquiries and your orders. And if you're new to this channel, hit the thumbs up, subscribe, leave a comment, share as usual. Sharing is caring. And it's your one and only Braidspreneur, entrepreneur, Mary Kay, independent beauty consultant, coming at you. So yeah, there you go. I will be expecting your messages. Okay guys, stay blessed, stay tuned, and see you next time. Bye.